Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about a Hyperlane USDT trade pair with my customer Sad. What's going on? Now let's dive in, guys. You remember this chart after listing? No, makes sense. Buying the token after listing the next candle. You know, this is daily time frame. Why we pump it today? Because Upbit listing. What happened after Upbit listing? I guess you know. Yes, we can go higher. Because now the BTC hit the new all-time high, so we can go higher. It's happened with drift. I guess with the drift, you know, when the Upbit listed, drift pump 1 day or 2 days more higher to the new all-time high. That's why, yes, we pump it in 200% in one single day. It's just an amazing, but nobody could predict the listing. But if you work with initiation accumulation pump model, what I shared with you, you could buy this token even without a listing. So here's a zones what I shared with you after listing here in April, right? So we landed back to this block. So here was the first logical entry, one take 45%. Even now, if you still hold this order, right, from 13 cents 80, you could be in temporary losses like 36-37%, but now you could fix the profit 150. Even now you can withdraw initial deposit, forget about the token, and ride with the free tokens. So everything should be planned before. So you have to build a plan when to in and when to out. I don't need to cry, you know, if something goes in opposite way than you plan, you know, because it's just a financial market. It's a crypto. We can't know which token will pump or dump, right? So we take a risk or not. That's why, at least when you get a plan, when you build a plan, you use the logical strategy. You follow your plan. You not click buttons randomly. That's why, guys, congrats everybody who use initiation accumulation pump model. If you bought it here, for example, one take, second one, in average, your entry could be like 1184, 200% gains. This is also not random why we stop it here, because based on an initiation accumulation pump model, this is a block where we need to fix the swing trades. That's why, guys, highly recommend you go and check the educational video totally for free, how to work with this model, you know, and adjust it to your plan, to your trading strategy. What we can see next, for example, if the hype on altcoins, the BTC dominance will go down more, yes, we can or consolidate here, even like this one, and after that bounce higher to the new all-time high, for example. Or if BTC now crash, the levels will be absolutely the same. For example, BTC will crash by next week. For example, the Hyperlane can drop like this one here to the same zones. So zones of interest didn't change. This one and this one. If some token not drop to zone of interest, you can just skip this token. There's a million tokens with absolutely the same model, right? Invalidation of idea if the token dump on the listing price. So it's on a BitGet, next zone, it's 6 cents, 4 cents. Can we drop that low? Yes, it's possible, in theory, right? Should we drop? No. So what to do now? Up to you. So I skipped this token. I never bought it here. I never bought it here, and I will never buy it because I don't have any plan to buy this token. I just showed you the hundreds different tokens and share the ideas totally for free, and you can take your own decision, right, to buy or not based on your plan. Many altcoins I bought already based on this model, so I waited. Just for example, like Omni, like Altlayer, like Portal, for example, the Venom I bought it based on this model. Avo, so Starknet, a lot of altcoins I'm in, but I can't buy all of them. That's why, guys, to open short now, also kind of risky. Also risky, you know. It's logical, you know, after Upbit listing to open short, but from this current price, it's like, no, let's take a look at this one. From this current price, come on. So this is a short position, I need it. Kind of big stop loss, 21%. Not a good risk ratio. So at least we need to see once again pump to 32 with potential stop loss over than 35 if we want to talk about a short position. Next 12-hour candle will be in the next 4 hours. So guys, all targets I showed you before. So what to do now is only up to you. The gains, of course, is only the sky's the limit over than 36 cents. First step with rejection will be 43.54. Guys, sometimes better skip the token and find another one which now trade around these blocks. Absolutely the same model, just find another token. So now it's a fixation of the profit. So now it's a time to fix profit, not to buy. Now it's time to fix, at least on 12 time frame on a daily. So here was accumulation. Take a look how the whales work and accumulate before. Of course, I'm more than sure they get some insiders in Upbit, you know, or in another centralized exchanges who know about an upcoming listing that can be like 2 weeks before or even months before. So here, by algorithm, they dumped the price to the first zone of interest, first zone to buy. Accumulate here was a huge accumulation that warrants on a 12 time frame. Accumulation by whales, total capitulation on 12 time frame daily. Same story. Here's the warranty on a daily. Bam. One lowest point 13.97 here. 21 here is 9 cents 24. Nice divergence on a daily pump. Logic, right? So we are in the first zone to buy. It's for the future. It's an example on a Hyperlane, but it's for the future for another tokens also. So you build a logic like we are in the first zone to buy, one take. ADZ, we form divergence. Nice one. So the whales accumulate step by step. They trying to hide their steps and it can take a long time. We are in a capitulation zone on the market mood on the daily. It's bullish one. So here, the hype gone in June 9. Right, so they prepare their orders, you know, to put the price higher. How high? We can't know. At least you need to be ready to fix some profit. Based on the direction, there was a signals for accumulation on 12 time frame. Got it. Take a look another one. And now, of course, wait a minute. Now, of course, here, this is a distribution. Distribution on the daily. And on direction, soon we will see the distribution also. What can happen next? It can happen absolutely the same story, but in opposite way. So we can form something like this one, you know, the warranty on a like daily, and can be something like this one story. I don't know, $1.80 or so. This can be the target. So that's the point, guys. Everything works in both ways. That's why I skip the coins if we're in the middle, based on ADZ. Money power, guys, take a look here. Also the reasons here. RSI bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence, money inflow. I showed you this is after the fact, you know, but you could track it in real time. So it's not random. It's not absolutely not random. Everything you can track even now. Now, of course, here, this is a money outflow. 12 time frame. Here's how the whales prepare their bags to pump it. Here's the money outflow, tiny one. Here's the money outflow of the main one. Got it. 4 hour time frame. You can work even with smaller time frames, but it's up to you. You have to adjust your strategy up to this time frame if you want to trade it. Here, the last money inflow was June 22, right here at 9:30. So this is it. And trade on. Accumulation, buy, bounce, buy, bounce, buy. Take profit, recommendation to close position. So guys, on this channel, I share with you not only like when to buy, here's where to sell and where to fix the profit. So that's the point. That's why we talk about realistic targets. Here you could fix the profit if you scalp, you know, on the 4 time frame, you know, the daily and 12 time frame you can use for you know, like a swing trades, position trades. The weekly is we use for investment. 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame. It's intraday. And here you could buy with the futures, for example. Even here, take a look. You buying here, for example. The stop loss you adjust on this level, like 5%, for example. And so with the second leverage, it's like 10% stop loss. 36% profit, so it's around 70% profit on with the second leverage. So it was a pretty good trade, right? So you build the logic. A lot of confirmation was around this block. Just Upbit listing just deliver the price by algorithm faster. I want to show you in the next video, the Babylon, this token also listed, but it's not pumped that much. Also, here was a test of the buy line on 12 time frame. Perfect entry. No data on daily. Here, we trade way over exit line, guys. It's not bullish. It's not bullish. Even with this crazy pump, it's not bullish. All lines are dynamic, but guys, be ready. Be ready to out and fix the profit. We need to see, I don't know, it can be, you know, like long consolidation, but we trade way over exit line. So it can be this move, for example, and until that time, the 4 hours in frame line will be here and bounce. So this is a potential case scenario. That's why all levels, guys, relevant. Highly recommend you find the first video about a hyper, build the same fib on a BitGet, you know, and track the token if you get interest. I have zero interest in this token right now. 1 hour time frame, same story, guys. The lines, dynamic, star curve up, right? So maybe one day we're gonna test the buy line again. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel if you would like to trade with my customer said what I showed you in this video, and just write me the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.